students, today we are going to learn more about numbers and the subtopic is ascending and descending order. Already you learned ascending and descending orders in the second and first standard. Okay, you well learn about the ascending order and descending order. So let us recall it. Ascending order, that means going up. See here, going up, that means the smallest number to the biggest number. See here, I will take one example. If I want to reach the sixth number, what I will do? I will directly go up? No, I will go step by step. See here, first I go to the first step, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then finally I reach sixth number. So that means we should start from the smallest number to the biggest number. So this is called the ascending order. What we call ascending order. Now, what is meant by descending? Descending, that means, see here, already I reached sixth number. I can't directly jump on the first number. I come step by step. I come step by step down. See here, the sixth number after 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then I reach the 1 number. So that is called the descending order. That is called the descending order. See, ascending, that means the smallest number to the biggest number, and descending order means biggest to the smallest number. Okay, all of you understood what is ascending and what is descending. Now we see one example. See here, I take one example. There are the 4 numbers and all numbers are 4-digit numbers. See here, 2136, 4136, 3136 and 6136. We should arrange these all numbers in ascending and descending order. How will? Now we see. See here, first we arrange all these numbers in a place value chart. Because all these numbers are 4-digit numbers. Okay. So first we arrange in a place value chart. See here. First I take 2136. See here how to arrange the numbers in a place value chart. Look here. We always start from the right side to the left side. See here. This is my right hand. Right side. Always we start from the right side to the left side by arranging the numbers in place value chart. Okay. 6 is in 1's place. So we write 6 in 1's place. Then 3 is in 10's place. So we write here 3. Then 1 is in 100 place, 2 is in 1000 place. Now we take the second number. That is 4136. See here, the 6 is in 1's place, 3 is in 10's place, 1 is in 100 place and 4 is in 1000's place. Okay. After that the next number 3136. We arrange the first 6 in 1's place because it is in the 1's place. 3 10's place. 1 100 place and 3 is in 1000's place. Now the last number is 6136. See here, the 6th number we arrange in the 1's place, then 3 10's place, 1 in 100 place and 6 in 1000's place. See here, all digits are 4-digit number. So for finding the smallest and the biggest number, we should compare the 1000's place. We should compare 1000's place because all digits are in 4-digit number. All digits are 4-digit number. See here, in the 1000's place, the first number is 2. Here is 4. In second number, in 1000's place, there is 4. In third number, there is 3. And in sixth number, in fourth number, there is a 6. Okay. See here, which one is the smallest? This 2 is the smallest 1000's place. That is 2000 is the smallest. Okay. So 2136 is the smallest number. First smallest number we find out. Which one is 2136? I write here, see, 2136. You know about that, how to give the sign. Okay. After that, this one is finished. Now we compare the remaining three numbers. See here, 4,000, 3,000 and 6,000. Which one is? 3,000 is the smallest number than the 4,000 and 6,000. So we write here 3,136 is the smallest number. 3,136. See. After that, this one also finish. Okay, now remaining 4,000 and 6,000. Which one is smallest? 4,000 is smallest than the 6,000. So we write 4,136 is the smallest number. 4,136. Okay. Now the last one is 6,136. 6,136. See here, I arrange all the numbers in smallest to the biggest number. See, 2,136 is smallest than the 3,136 is less than the 4,136 is less than 6,136. That means I arrange all these numbers in ascending order. See, I write here ascending order. First which number? Smallest number. Ascending order, that means we should arrange the numbers in the smallest number to the greatest number. 2,136. Then 3,136. Then 4,136. And then 6,136. See here, I arrange all that four numbers in ascending order. Now descending order, that means go back from largest number to the smallest number. Largest number to the smallest number. Now see here, which one is the greatest number? 6,136. I write here first. 6,136. Then 4,136. 4,136. Then 3,136. And the smallest number is 2,136. All of you understood, students, how to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order? Now we see the second example. Second example is 4,129, 4,912, 4,219 and 4,192. All these 4-digit numbers we are arranging in ascending and descending order. First, what will we do? We arrange all these numbers in a place value chart. We arrange in a place value chart. See here the first number 4,129. I told you to arrange the in place value chart. We should start from the right side. Okay, 9. See here, right side. 9 is in ones place, so we write here 9. Okay, then 2 is in tens place. We write here 2. 1 is in 100 place. We write here 1. 4 is in thousands place. Now second number. Start from the right side. 2 is in ones place. 1 is in tens place. 9 is in 100 place. And 4 is in thousands place. Okay. Now the next number is 4,290. Again we arrange in place value chart. From start, right side. 9 is in ones place. 1 is in tens place. 2 is in 100 place. And 4 is in thousands place. Okay. Now the last number. 4,192. 2 is in ones place. 9 is in tens place. 1 is in 100 place and 4 is in thousands place. See here, I arrange all these numbers in a place value chart. To finding the smallest number, first what will we do? We compare the thousands place. See here, all the numbers have same thousands place. 4,000, 4,000, 4,000, 4,000. So we should compare the next number, next place, that is 100 place. See here. Here is in first number there is 100, second number 900. Then 200 and 100. See here. Again 100 is smaller than the 900 and 200. So here in these two numbers, the 100 and 100 is same. That means we compare the next to find the smallest number from these two numbers. Okay. Next place, that is tens place. Here is 20 and here is 90. So which one is smallest? 20 is smallest than the 90. So that means this whole number is smaller than this number. 4129 is smaller than the 4192. So that means we write this one first. 4129 is less than. Okay. Now this one is finished. See here. After that, this one is smallest. Okay. 4192. Right here, 4192. So this one also finished. Now, from remaining these two, 4912 and 4219. From this, we compare the 100 place because the thousands place is same. So we compare the 100 place. Here is 900 and here is 200. Which one is smaller? 200 is smaller than the 900. So that's why 4219. This whole number is smaller than the 4912. We write here 4290 is smaller than 4912. See here, I arrange all these numbers from smallest to the biggest. So we write in the ascending order. How? First we write ascending means smallest, smallest to the biggest. So first we write smallest number. 4129, then 4192, then 4290, and last one is 4912. Okay. Now these whole numbers we are arranging in a descending order. Descending that means largest to the smallest. Largest to the smallest. Which one is large number? 4912, 4290, then 4192, then last one is the 4190. All of you understood, students, how to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending orders?